dabba-doo. I hope everybody can hear me all right. I got them still testing out my mic setup, so if you don't hear me, then oh well. You don't hear, you ain't missing a whole lot here. Playing in the mud stuff. I mean, so you can't. I'm gonna get some, try to get some slide action, baby. Yeah, Mothman. Here's what real slide action looks like. Yes, sir. Yeah. Woohoo! Mud hole city. Yeah. Cycle cruiser can't handle this. What's this slide action? Yeehaw! Just trying to make fun of people and just out riding around, laughing about the stuff we laugh about on live stream, like slide action or riding through the water, seeing what we can do, come up with. Swamp riding. We don't have a whole lot of mud holes, but to ride in, but we can ride in the creek. Cools the motor off a little bit, but there is part of the safety part of out here riding around in the woods like this is, if you noticed up there, there's certain spots where there's still barbed wire hanging from trees and stuff, and if you don't watch out, you'll be got into some place that got into some places that some idiots run a piece of wire across, or a chain or wire across the trail, and so you have to be safety conscious out here, because even if you are trying to just play around and goof off, because of the fact that people don't realize, they think that chain just going to tear ATV up or something, but in reality, where they're hanging it at, where we're riding at, is basically going to hurt you. You're going to get hurt, because if you hit it, you can decapitate yourself quick on a piece of on some kind of wire or something straight across this trail. Now here's Delisa. She's out here playing around. She's out here gathering more rocks. She's looking out on the prowl for more rocks. She's gonna think she's the rock lady. So we're back.
I had to rinse some mud off of me. I'm covered.
Yeah.
That's not fun.
Yeah, I did. I just come back down through the...
Look at yours and look at mine.
Because I come back through, I've been through that twice.
Twice?
Through the creek twice.
Look at the front end of yours and look at mine. That's what counts.
Yeah. I can't help that Honda sinks more than this here Polaris.
Hey, we'll see who went the fastest.
Well,
we're going to take votes.
Well, the fastest now, there ain't no doubt, this Polaris is fastest, but I had to stay behind.
Did you go around that sideways?
Yes.
Bullshit.
I just did on film.
Bullshit. You got too much tread on your tires.
Well,
I'll call you on that.
But alrighty, well,
back up to the house.
I guess we can get riding back to the house. That's the swimming hole for around the local swimming hole for the creek right there. And so we try not to get in it, play around in it with the four-wheeler too much. But Delisa, she's hunting more rocks and seeing what else she can come up with. She has tried to wear a helmet, and it is about to worried her to death trying to wear a helmet. But I told her that if we decide to go somewhere besides here, we're gonna have to wear helmets, and so she's trying to get used to wearing it, even though she just got it riding on the back of that daggum thing right now. But and most people, this is a real challenging place down here. If you don't know what the heck you're doing, you don't try to do it at high speeds. I mean, here's, get that piece of junk out my way. But see that splashing in the mud. And this is a real hill here. Listen to that power. Listen to that power, baby. Woo! Let's go, Mothman. Also known as Cycle Cruiser. Let's go. And Joel, I hope you're saying yes, dear, a lot. But because the Rocket done told me what she's going to use that board for, and we just this is our usual playpen down here where we go out and play around. I'm gonna back over her a little bit because she likes to throw rocks at me. So, but this Polaris here, it'll catch up with that. I can catch up that Honda anytime I want to. See, it's got plenty of pick up and go. It'll do 60 mile an hour in a short period of time on level ground. But you got to be smart about it, like I was talking about earlier about the people putting right here is probably a good example. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's barbed wire all up through there by those gates, and if you don't know that's there, that can it can actually cut you in half. You hit it running it too fast, running at high speed. So you got to be real careful when you're out riding in strange places, because some people are just that mean. They'll throw up a cable or something that can cut you in half in just a few minutes. So, and I also right about now I'm on my next video. I think I got a new toy today that I ordered in for my woodworking, and I'll do an unboxing video of it in a little bit. So we'll see how this turns out, and we thank you. Please like, subscribe, and have a great weekend. And we're out.
fun, wasn't it?
Hey, soaked. I'm Daryl.
I didn't see you going through that mud like that.
I did.
Let's see, how wet is your clothes? Not, mine are soaked.